Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back. And oh man, do you remember this? Been with the channel for a long time. 2 years ago, we purchased this from Sam's Club. You can see it's a member's mark. And I found it and I stood right by it. And my wife said, "What are you looking at?" I said, "This thing's only 200 bucks. It was like $199. And I said, "Oh man, I gotta have it." This thing's heavy. Did some mods to it. Smoke Daddy Inc. PID controller on it. And it has really turned it in. It has set for 2 years without use, and I just plugged it in, fired it up, and guess what? It's running. After 2 years, $199 pellet grill still runs. You know what we're gonna do on there? Take some pork tenderloin, wrap them in bacon, and we're gonna put them on this 2-year-old, not even used pellet grill. And I can't believe that it's still working. I had thoughts that this thing wouldn't work, and you can see we're dialing in right now, 177. It's about 82 degrees out here. 82 degrees in Florida, I'll tell you what. Oh man, that is nice. Folks, let's take a look at the pork tenderloin. Get them on this get them on this pellet grill. Keep on going. Sitting 2 years. 2 years. Fire. I'll tell you what, this was a $199 pellet grill. And after 2 years in Florida, in the humidity, it still works. All right, so we're gonna take both our pork tenderloin, we're gonna leave them together. And we got a bacon weave going on here, folks. We're doing bacon weave. I've showed you this before. Find the cheapest bacon you can because the chances are it's really thin cut. And then we just do it on some saran wrap. And then we're just gonna throw everything over here. Don't have to be pretty. Remember, if I can do it, so can you. And we're just going to wrap our bacon around that pork tenderloin. And I'll tell you what, take a look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. So onto the grill. All right, folks, just put them on. Smoke Daddy Inc. I'll tell you what, if you're looking for a PID to update your $200 pellet grill, there are places to go. 178, low is 160 on this grill. It's working its way down there. See, even our lid tip is saying, let me get you in there, and let's take a look at our. Oh man, there's our pork tenderloin. Got a little smoke roll in there. Folks, we're gonna keep on going. Give you a couple look-sees as we proceed on the $200. Hasn't been used in 2 years in the rust. I'm not gonna call it the rust belt, but down here in Florida where the humidity is high, still runs. Yeah, you can see it right there. And a pellet grill. Yeah, you get smoke. All right, got an hour of smoke. Just turn things up to 325, coming up the temp here. Oh man, still run away. Give you a look-see. All right, 325, 315 there. 325 there. Let's take a quick look. Sizzling away. I'm gonna go about 5 more minutes. I'll take a temp, give you a look-see. All right, folks, look at that. Browning up really, really nice. It's about 40 minutes. Let's take a look. $123, $137. So we're getting close there. I'm gonna pull it at $145. So we'll give you a look-see. All right, 350 is what it's set. 350 what it is. Folks, take a quick look. Oh my gosh. Just about ready to pull it off, give you a look-see. This is gonna be delicious on a pellet grill. Nice. All right, folks, there it is. 2 pork tenderloins wrapped in bacon. Let's take a look-see. Look at that. Oh man. Let's take a slice out of there. That is good stuff right there. That bacon, remember, I told you you get the cheapest bacon you get because it's usually very cut thin. Let's see how it tastes here. Get a little bacon on there. So pork tenderloin, very nice. Even got a little smoke ring. Oh man.